upload a CapCut video to TikTok. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the CapCut app and finish editing your video. Once you're happy with your project, tap the Export button in the top right corner. Wait for CapCut to finish exporting the video. After the export is complete, you'll see several sharing options. Tap Share to TikTok. CapCut will automatically open the TikTok app with your exported video ready to upload. If prompted, allow CapCut to open TikTok. On the TikTok upload screen, you can add filters, effects, sounds, or make any final edits if needed. When you're ready, tap Next. Now, add your caption, hashtags, and adjust your privacy settings. You can also choose whether to allow comments, duets, and stitches. Finally, tap Post to upload your video to TikTok. If you don't see the Share to TikTok option, simply export the video to your device first. Then, open the TikTok app, tap the plus button, select Upload, choose your exported video, and post it manually. That's it! You've successfully uploaded your CapCut video to TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CapCut and TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.